Squirrels plan and play. Squirrels are funny. They scamper and scurry, always busy, always in a hurry. It might seem as though squirrels are always so busy, they spend their entire lives in a tizzy. But if you take a closer look, you will see squirrels love to play, but they are good planners indeed. Squirrels chase each other and play, but they do not play all day. There is important work to be done. They store food for winter, but always manage to make time for fun. Squirrels gather nuts and pack them away so they have something to eat when winter comes to stay. Squirrels spend spring, summer, and fall planning and saving for a long winter haul. What can we learn from our furry friends? It is very important to play and have fun, but only after our work is done. Our Squirrels Plan and Play ELFercise kit comes with an item to keep and an item to give. And if you're feeling extra squirrely, it's also available as a plush kit combo. We've got lots more to show you at www.elf365.com. Think like an elf and be your best self.